Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine now. So stay at home and be safe. Don't go outside as possible as. Okay. So be at home. Right. Now we are talking about our study. So we will start our 8th chapter. Mapping your way. Mapping means map. Have you seen map? Have you seen? Yes or no? Yes, now? Yes. So now we will start. Now first read these lines. Asi is going to India Gate to see the Republic Day parade. Republic Day, okay, 26th January, with the other children of her school. Okay. As the children settle down, they hear something about India Gate on the loudspeaker. They hear something about India Gate on loudspeaker. Okay. To the right of the president is the India Gate. To the right of president. Okay. Right side. You can understand by your hands. Right side, left side. Okay. This was built in memory of the Indian soldier who died in the first war. Okay, this is built now in the memory of Indian soldier who died in First World War. Okay. Now there are lots of people sitting on the both sides of Rajpath. Okay, there is a road. Okay, there is a road. For example, this is road now. This is road. Okay, here are some people, and this side also some people. The main road along with the parade passes. This is main road. This is main road. Children are talking about the building they can see around them. Okay, children talking about buildings they can see around means, for example, here and this side, like that. Okay. Now look, Aditi, this is India Gate. Okay, this is India Gate. This is India Gate. Sir told us that Rashtrapati Bhavan faces India Gate, so that last building on our right side must be Rashtrapati Bhavan. Okay, see, this is Marg, this is Rajpath. This road na is known as Rajpath. This is India Gate. So here definitely Rashtrapati Bhavan means in the front of India Gate there will be Rashtrapati Bhavan. Now we understand these Rajpath, India Gate. Here are some people. Here are some people. Now we have some questions. Now we have some questions. Here is a photograph taken from helicopter. Here is a photograph. This is a this photo taken by from helicopter. You can see Rajpath here. This is Rajpath. Okay, in map this is Rajpath. The road which join India Gate to Rashtrapati Bhavan mark where on Rajpath will Aditi be. Okay, now see, there are some questions on basis of this photo and this map 1. There is a map 1 now, so we will give answer of these questions. And how we will give, so I will tell you and you will understand, then you will be able to give the answer of these questions. Now can you see this picture easily? Yes, right now you can see. Okay, so this is national stage. This is hexagon. This is hexagon. I will tell you. This is hexagon means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 sides now. So this is known as hexagon. A closed figure of 6 sides is known as hexagon. Okay, you will remember a closed figure of 6 sides is known as hexagon. This is hexagon. Now we have first question. This is National Stadium, Zakir Hussain Road. This is Man Singh Road. This is Rajpath. This is straight line is known as Rajpath. This is Rafi Marg. This side Rafi Marg. This side this is Janpath. This is Rajpath and this is Janpath. This is Man Singh Road, and here is Rafi Marg, and this is also Rafi Marg. So this is Vijay Chowk and this is Rashtrapati Bhavan. You can see. Now we have first question. Okay, have you seen a map of a city? So what will you say? Yes, we have seen the map of the city. A match means you can see anywhere. Now what is this? Look at the map one. Match it with the photo and find out the where India Gate is drawn it on the map. Now see, this is India Gate. I will tell you. This is India Gate. This is Rashtrapati Bhavan, okay, and this is Rajpath, okay, and these are some marks. For example, Rafi Marg, Janpath, This is Man Singh Road, okay. Now, in this in this picture, we will show the India Gate, okay. Now see, this is what is this? India Gate. Here is we can say here is India Gate. Okay. Here is what is this? Here is India Gate. Okay. Now see again. Here is India Gate. In second question, what is this? Some roads are shown in this part of the map. Look for them in the photo. Okay. Here are some roads now, this road and this road. Here in the map, in the photo, you can see. Now the roads shown in the part of the map are clearly visible in the photo. Yes, clearly visual. The means roads na Mansingh Road, Janpath and Rafi Marg, this and this shown visual easily and clearly. Now we have third question. Name the road that you will cross on your way from Rashtrapati Bhavan to India Gate. Okay, this is very easy question. When you will go from here to here now, so which road will come in the middle? So here you can say Rafi Marg, Janpath and Mansingh Road. Okay, the name of the road crossed on our way from Rashtrapati Bhavan to India Gate are Rafi Marg, Janpath and Mansingh Road. Okay, now we have fourth question. Look for the National Stadium in map 1. Can you see in the photo? Yes. Now see, we will give the answer. This is National Stadium. This is National Stadium, okay, but shown in the map. But here in the photo we can't see the National Stadium, okay. We can't. So the National Stadium is seen in map 1. National Stadium is seen in map 1, but I cannot, you can write like that, I cannot see in the photo. Yes, we cannot see in the photo. Okay student, so next part we will do tomorrow. Okay, thank you.